Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to make full use of Google Merchant Center for your Shopify shop. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a Google Merchant Center account. So if you don't have one, sign up for a Google Merchant Center account using your Google account. The second step is to link the Google Merchant Center to Google Ads. If you're planning to run shopping ads, link your Google Merchant Center account to Google Ads. This integration allows you to use your product data for advertising. The third step is to verify and claim your website. Verify and claim your Shopify website in Google Merchant Center. This confirms that you have ownership of the website you're submitting products from. The fourth step is to set up a product data feed. In the Google Merchant Center, create a product data feed. This feed contains information about your products like titles, description, prices, and availability. Shopify has built an integration with Google Merchant Center, so you can use the Shopify app to create and manage your data feed. Now, optimize the product data. Ensure that your product data is accurate and complete and meets Google's requirements. Provide clear titles, detailed descriptions, accurate prices, and high quality images. Another step is to submit product data feed. Once your feed is set up and optimized, submit it to the Google Merchant Center. This allows Google to review and process your product data. After that, you can monitor the feed errors. So regularly check your Google Merchant Center account for any errors or issues with your product data feed and address the errors promptly to ensure your products are listed correctly. The next step is to create shopping campaigns. So in Google Ads, create shopping campaigns using your product data feed. These campaigns will display your product in Google search results and other Google platforms. You can also segment your shopping campaigns. This allows you to tailor your bids and budgets more effectively. After that, set up remarketing list. These lists allow you to show targeted ads to users who have previously visited your website. You can also utilize promotions to highlight special offers or discounts in your shopping ads. After that, monitor and optimize regularly the performance of your shopping campaigns. The last step is to utilize Google Analytics. Link your Google Analytics account to your Google Merchant Center and Google Ads account, and this provides deeper insights into user behavior and conversion tracking. So that's how you can make full use of Google Merchant Center for your Shopify shop. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.